Hello there, you amazing people. So in this particular video, in this short video, we are going to be learning the basic structure of Excel. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to be opening a blank workbook. So this is a workbook. Basically, a workbook is a collection of many sheets in Excel. So this is a sheet, and I can add more sheets to this workbook. So this is sheet number 2, this is sheet number 3. You can check the sheet number from the lower left corner of your Excel workbook. So here I can add more and more sheets, and the collection of these sheets is going to be called a workbook. So this whole thing is a one sheet, and collection of all these different sheets is going to be called a workbook. So depending upon the power of my computer or the power of my device, and depending upon the various specifications of my device, I can have loads and loads of sheets only if your device is capable of doing so. In the earlier times, in the earlier version, maybe there was a limit like 255, 300, etc. But nowadays in the newer versions, you can have as many sheets as long as it is possible for your device to handle them. So depending upon your device and its capability, you can have many sheets. So this is a sheet. You can add more sheets by clicking on this plus button, and you can rename a sheet by clicking the sheet number name here. So for example, I want to rename my sheet number 1. So I'm going to click on sheet number 1. I'm going to double click on it, and then I'm going to rename it. So this is how sheets work. Now let us understand what is a column and row in an Excel workbook, in an Excel sheet. So these are called columns. This is column number L, this is column L, this is column M, this is column N, this is column O, this is column U. This is row number 1, this is row number 6, this is row number 10. So columns are checked vertically and rows are for horizontal. So these are my rows, and if I view like this is going to be my column. Now with the help of these grids, inside these grids I place my data, and suppose I put my data here, and this data can be referenced by using these column and row. For example, I have to find where this data has been kept. Then I am going to say that this data is present in cell R6. R is a column and 6 is a row. If I have to refer to this cell, then this cell is going to be called, this cell or block is going to be called P11. This one is going to be called U8. This one is going to be called this is going to be called N9. This is going to be called Q15. So this is how you can refer to different cells of your Excel. And here you can also see the name of your sheet right here. For example, we know that this is a column N, and this is row number 2 for this particular cell. This is column N and row number 2. Here also you can see that the references has been mentioned, that is the name of this particular cell has been mentioned, which is N2. Now this particular heading, these L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T are combinedly called as the column header. So I can easily say that A, B, C, D, E, F, G up to the different columns is going to be called the column header, and this numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 till the end is going to be called the row header. So these are the basic terminologies that you need to know. In the here also, if you check the Microsoft website, you can see that you can have as many workbooks possible as it is possible by a system to handle, and inside each workbook there can be a large number of sheets that that can be present, again depending upon the capacity of your device. Total number of rows possible in a sheet is going to be more than 1 million, and total number of possible columns is going to be more than 16,000, and each column can have 255 characters. So these are some other details which have been mentioned in the website. So this is the basic structure of your Microsoft Excel that you need to know. Let us meet in our next video. Until then, bye bye.